Hi everyone, Spanish Grammar Guy here on Focus 15 to help you with your Spanish grammar. Today I'll briefly explain how to use two important exclamatory adjectives in Spanish, qué and cuánto, and their variations. We know that both qué and cuánto are used to create questions, but they can also be used as adjectives to express strong emotions, surprise, or emphasis when talking about qualities or quantities. And an important point to note is that if an adjective follows the structure que plus a noun, then it's always preceded by tan or más. Let me explain. So let's have a look at using que as one of these exclamatory adjectives. Well, it's used with nouns to ask what or to express surprise about the qualities or characteristics of something or someone, and it's always followed by a noun. Let's have a look at a couple of examples. Qué día más hermoso, what a beautiful day. Or qué sorpresa verte aquí, what a surprise to see you here. In these examples, que emphasizes the quality or nature of the noun that follows. In the first example, it's followed by an adjective, hermoso, which is preceded by the word más. But in the second example, is followed by a verb. Now on to using cuánto and its variations. We have cuánto, cuánta, cuántas, cuántos. They're all used as exclamatory adjectives to exclaim how much of something there is in a particular situation. They agree in gender and number with the noun they modify. So of course, cuánto is masculine and singular, cuánta is feminine and singular, cuántos is masculine and plural, and cuántas is feminine and plural. Let's have a look at a couple of examples of cuánto then, which of course is masculine and singular. For example, ¿cuánto dinero has ganado? What a lot of money you have won. Or no sabía cuánto costaba. I didn't know how much it cost. So, as a variable adjective then, cuánto has to agree in number and gender with the noun. For example, if you're using cuánta, it refers to something feminine and singular. For example, mira cuánta agua bebe. How much water she drinks. Or no imagino cuánta paciencia tienes. I can't imagine how much patience you have. Moving on to cuántos, which is obviously masculine and plural, you could say, no puedo creer cuántos amigos tienes. I can't believe how many friends you have. Or, ¿cuántos libros hay en la estantería? How many books are on the shelf? And for cuántas, feminine plural, mira cuántas flores hay en el jardín. Look how many flowers are in the garden. Or for example, no sé cuántas veces te he llamado. I don't know how many times I've called you. So in summary, we use que as an adjective with nouns to express surprise about something. And we use cuánto, cuánta, cuántos or cuántas also as an adjective to express surprise at the quantity of something, depending on gender and number. Okay, that's it for now. Please subscribe to Focus 15 with the Spanish Grammar Guy for more Spanish grammar tips. See you soon, and thanks for watching.